Hi there, welcome to Humber College's Lakeshore Campus. My name is Shay and I'm excited to take you on a virtual tour of the Lakeshore Campus, classrooms, labs, service departments, and unique spaces. We hope that this virtual tour will give you an idea of the many great offerings here at Humber College. Humber is home to more than 200 full-time programs, including bachelor's degrees, diplomas, certificates, apprenticeships, and Ontario graduate certificates. Here at Lakeshore Campus, there are more than 10,000 full-time students. Lakeshore Campus is home to many of our degree programs. Did you know that according to Statistics Canada, a college degree graduate earns 12% more annually compared to a university degree holder after 2 years? Let's start at the Student Welcome and Resource Center, commonly referred to as the Welcome Center. Situated along Lakeshore Boulevard West, the center is the hub of our campus. Here is where you'll find most of the student services, including the Office of the Registrar, the Academic and Career Success Center, Student Life, Student Wellness and Accessibility, the LGBTQ+ Resource Center, Indigenous Engagement and Education Center, Test Center, and many more. It's also where students, staff, and the community can learn more about the history of Lakeshore grounds and fuel up with some coffee. In the Academic and Career Success Center, you can search for jobs and work-study options on and off campus. Career advisors conduct mock interviews to help you better prepare for any upcoming interviews or meetings. They also host networking and career events. The Office of the Registrar is a major hub for academic information. Here you'll learn about program admissions, paying your tuition, and financial aid. These services can be accessed anytime by going online to your My Humber account. The Lakeshore Grounds Interpretive Center, located in the Welcome Center, hosts exhibits and events that highlight the unique history of our campus, including themes of education, mental health, Indigenous heritage, and environmental sustainability. They also have volunteer opportunities available. The Student Wellness and Accessibility Center supports students' health and well-being in order to promote academic success at Humber. This is the home to accessible learning services, counseling services, and health services. In health services, you can book an appointment with a doctor or nurse. You can even get some vaccines and allergy shots here. Campus counseling services are available to help students work through personal and academic difficulties. These services are free and confidential. Accessible learning services help students with academic accessibility and learning accommodations. Being a post-secondary student is an exciting time for your life, and the Student Life Office is another awesome resource that helps students transition into college life. They organize your student orientation first-year experience program, various workshops, and you can take part in a peer mentoring program with upper year students from similar programs. The Indigenous Engagement and Education Center is open to all students at Humber who have questions, are working on projects, or would like to get involved. The center assists Indigenous students in making the transition and adjustments to the challenges of college life while creating an awareness and appreciation of Indigenous culture and history in the greater campus community through volunteering. Humber has approximately 700 Indigenous students and is home to the second largest Indigenous student population in Ontario. The Test Center provides testing services in a professional, quiet, and monitored test environment so our students can perform their best in a barrier-free testing environment. Slightly east of the Welcome Center, you will find what we call the Cottages and the Learning Commons. The cottages, named C through to M, house different faculties and facilities. These beautiful buildings are unique to the Lakeshore campus, dating all the way back to the 19th century. Here in C Cottage is where the Faculty of Social and Community Service have their offices. Their programs focus on criminal justice services and human services streams, which include behavioral science, social service worker, child and youth care, police foundations, and much more. In the basement of C Cottage is also where you'll find the Conflict Resolution Simulation Lab, where students acquire the skills needed to deal with people in crisis and practice real-life scenarios. They also have faculty offices located in D and E cottages. The Center of Justice Leadership, located east of the Welcome Center on the north side of the Lakeshore Boulevard, is also connected to the Faculty of Social and Community Services and is where you'll find the mock courtroom, forensic identification studio, and the crime scene studio, an area where the mock crime scenes are staged. The Faculty of Media and Creative Arts can be found here in F Cottage, where there are computer labs, Humber Student Ad Agency, and the Math and Writing Center. Here you can take a variety of advertising, marketing, and public relation programs to explore your creative strategy skills. The GE Cottage is home to the Center of Entrepreneurship, where you can get support if you're looking to start your own business, develop a patent, or even to enhance your pitch skills. Use this space to learn, collaborate, and expand your entrepreneurial spirit. The Faculty of Business is located in the H Building. Areas of study include management and leadership, paralegal studies, international development, marketing, finance, and accounting. The Accounting Center can be found here providing assistance with accounting software and assignments. The H Building also houses Lakeshore's International Center, where students from abroad can access support services for their education. Assistance with visa process and a peer mentorship program are just a few of the many services they offer. They also help domestic students explore their options to study abroad. Humber Students Government Ignite is located in K Building. Ignite is the official student government for all full-time students at Humber College. The list of services offered range from health and dental insurance, bursaries, volunteer opportunities, tax clinics, and even the sleep lounge. Ignite is the place to go for the best social events. Guest speakers, concerts, Frosh Week, and registration to more than 49 clubs are available to you here as a Humber student. In the middle of the cottages is the L Building. Many of our degree programs have their classes here, but that's not all. The Lakeshore Commons has computers, quiet study spots, and rooms where you can book for group project work. Students can head up to the second floor to the cafeteria, where a variety of meal and snack choices can be found. Humber Gallery hosts exhibitions from Humber's faculties and partners in the L Space Gallery and has Lakeshore-wide pop-up exhibits to make our campus a canvas. Upstairs, you will find our working trading floor lab with stock ticker displays and screen capturing key market data. This lab allows students to simulate real-life trading of stocks, bonds, funds, and currencies. The newsroom used by the Bachelor of Journalism and Digital Communication students feature a fully functional news studio with audio and video equipment. Behind L, there's a massive quad and green space for students to hang out in, and it's where outdoor events are held, especially during orientation week. In this space, you can find Humber's indigenous culture markers, which tell the story of Anishinaabe Nation's Great Migration. The markers are designed to place the college in the context of the long history of indigenous people in what is now called the Greater Toronto Area. Humber College is located in Etobicoke, known as the Place of the Alders, in Anishinaabe-Moan, the Ojibwe language. Heading west of the Welcome Center, we'll hit the AB building where the Lakeshore campus got its start. There is also a pathway that connects the west side of the campus to the east side of the campus that is easily accessible to students. Today, it's still an essential part of the campus. Another cafeteria gives students even more food choices, providing long service hours for students living in residence. The Lakeshore Campus Library is where students can go for quiet study spaces and group work, and get research support for projects from the library staff. The Bay's Lakeshore location is also in AB building. The Black Academic Success and Engagement Equity Hub seeks to help students who identify as Black, African Caribbean, or African Canadian and provide them with a sense of community and resources to maximize their campus experience. Walking through the AB building, chances are you'll hear music in the halls. This is where the acclaimed music program at Humber holds their classes and performances. They have recording studios, music labs, and a full auditorium at their disposal. The Faculty of Liberal Arts and Science and Innovative Learning can also be found in the AB building. They organize all the college's elective courses and provide pathways and upgrading opportunities. Heading towards Lakeshore Boulevard West, you will find the bookstore, where you can acquire textbooks and supplies, as well as any Humber gear you would like to sport during or after your studies. The residence building is attached to AB building. It features suite-style rooms and common areas, providing you with everything you need to enjoy the full college experience. The front security desk is staffed 24/7 with CCTV at all entry points. We have day and night staff that patrol facilities to ensure students' safety and comfort. The Lakeshore Campus is the future home of the Humber's Cultural Hub. Activities at the Hub will connect students and expert faculty with Toronto's media and film industry through professional-grade multimedia production and post-production facilities, 3D animation spaces, music labs, and a music recording studio, 2 multi-purpose performance halls with state-of-the-art equipment, and our new Center for Creative Business Innovation. Construction is beginning soon, and the Humber Cultural Hub is expected to be completed in 2024. Across the streets and slightly west of AB Building is the Fitness Center, a service included in your student fees. Here you can work out solo or join classes if you're motivated by group activities. This multi-level facility has equipment for many different types of workouts, and you can even get a personal trainer package for extra help. Here you can book gymnasium court time located at the A Building and rent equipment. Humber's Art and Media Studio HAMS, also known as the Birmingham Building, is used by the Faculty of Media and Creative Arts students and is just a block north of the A Building. With its performance spaces, film studios, and purpose-built production shops, you can pursue your education in comedy, acting, filmmaking, and more. Visual art programs at Lakeshore also have their own building, West Down Lakeshore Boulevard West. The Humber Art Commons is an open-concept, transformable studio space flooded by natural light. Individual spaces can be easily converted into collaborative spaces, giving students the flexibility they need to build their visual and digital art skills and display their creations for their portfolio shows, installations, and the community walking by. If we head back towards the Welcome Center across the street, we'll hit the Fashion Institute, where students are provided the unique opportunity to create street-level window displays, while the Fashion Lab is equipped with mannequins, rolling racks, and shelving units to create the real-world retail merchandising displays. Next door in the medical building, you can find the therapeutic play therapy labs on the 2nd floor, used by the Child and Youth Care Program. On the 3rd floor, Faculty of Social and Community Services have their office for student support advisors, where students can drop by to seek one-on-one support and access resources. Throughout the campus and local community, you'll find a lot of different food and coffee options. Students often find their favorites and tell prospective students about them. If you are commuting to campus, you have sustainable options. There's parking, including carpool spots and electrical charging stations if you have to drive. But the campus is also accessible by transit. The 501 streetcar runs from Long Branch GO Station in the west all the way to the downtown core. The buses run north to Kipling Station and run frequently in their 24-hour schedule. As you may have already seen, Humber College believes in polytechnic education, which means giving students a strong theoretical foundation and hands-on experience combined with real-world learning opportunities. When you graduate from Humber, you will be truly career ready. We walk the walk when it comes to our commitment to sustainability and the environment. We've been selected as one of Canada's greenest employers 5 times. Did you know Humber is the first college in Ontario to obtain fair trade designation at both campuses? We are committed to you, the student. Our mandate is to give you the best learning experience while making you job ready. Come to Humber and experience it yourself. Thank you for joining us on your virtual campus tour. We hope that you found it to be a valuable and insightful experience. If you have questions, you can contact us at any time by visiting humber.ca, or feel free to reach out to a program coordinator by visiting the programs page. We are here to help and look forward to welcoming you to Lakeshore Campus very soon. Welcome to Humber and welcome home.